Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hey guys, welcome to Village Diaries with Varun Inamdar, and today I'm making a very simple ethnic and traditional recipe. Well, in India, we are known to make a lot of dry snacks and starters at home. Today is one such recipe. It's called raw banana fry. Let's begin. For this, of course, we need raw bananas. So let's begin with that. Banana is one such fruit or vegetable, as you call it, that does not require washing. All you need to do is to peel it off like so. It's extremely fibrous when it's raw. There are two layers of this fibrous skin. Ensure that you remove both. Banana is something that oxidizes extremely fast. So the step to ensure that that does not happen is you soak that or steep that in water. Similarly, let's peel the rest of the bananas. The bananas are, of course, peeled and ready. They've also been soaking in water. The peel should not get thrown off. They can become a feed for your cattle. Let's slice these now. The slices need to be nice and thick so that they kind of remain biteful and do not turn absolutely thin. The next step is to marinate these. We need to transfer these in a bowl and use some powder spices. I'm going to keep it absolutely simple. To begin with, some Asafoetida or hing, followed by crushed coriander seeds or coriander powder. I'm going to use amchur to make it nice and tangy. And finally, some chili powder to make it nice and spicy. But of course, you can take your own call. You can be your best judge and use it moderately or as you please. To make it extra tangy, I'm going to use lemon juice. Well, there are two reasons why I wish to use lemon juice. The first one, as we all know, is it to make it nice and tangy. And the second reason is so that the marination kind of sticks nicely onto the raw bananas. Finally, the quintessential salt. Mix this well, and your bananas are kind of marinated and ready. Let's now move on to the next step, and that is dredging some semolina and frying these. But before that, the important step is to light the open flame. I'm going to use an earthen tawa for these fritters. The next step, like I said, is to dredge semolina and ensure that it coats nicely on the exterior. Well, if you're making this in your home kitchens, you can also, of course, bake these at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. The raw banana slices have coated well, rather crusted well. Let's fry these. But for that, of course, we need some oil. Time to flip this after a minute or so. Ensure that it gets fried nice and crisp, absolutely golden brown in color. We need to transfer this on a plate and fry the rest of them just the same way. With this, our raw banana fry is done and ready. Now, whether you call this a starter, an appetizer, or a side dish, the whole idea is that you need to make this at home and impress your family and friends. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.